sun has almost gone down. We have some clouds, which has helped a little bit. And it's gearing up for another night of frivolity and food. But I'm heading across the road to the night market and just have a look round there. Never been. And then down to Udon town and have a look at that at night time, which I've never done. Just a brief little video. Not going to go into it in too detail. Just have a nice look and see what it's like in the evening time. Even though it's cloudy, it's still warm. Very warm, in fact. Oh, plane. Cute, aren't they? Now, a lot of people in the UK won't like that, but that's how it is, I'm afraid. They seem nourished and healthy. It's probably only there to be sold. And where else can they keep them? You can't have them running around on the pavement. Lady's selling some hats and a couple more little pups. Wow. I think it'd be better doing half and half. Half and half, Owen, like these ladies. I think we've made it. In the distance is a railway station. Ahead is KFC. And here we've got an intersection. Soy sampan is down there. And this way is a market selling all the street food. All sorts of stuff. Sawadee krab. Moo? Moo. Ah, okay. Thank you. Got a little bit of flour and fish. Sawadee krab. More fish. And more fish. Oh, that's hot. I feel the heat coming off that. And you've got your durian, your veg. I can't look at that durian because if I'm drinking I can't have it. I had some in Chiang Mai and it sent me a bit to Diwali. A lady said it would and she was right. Different drinks, I don't know what we are. Chicken. Cheese. And eatอะไรครับ ไก่ครับ ไก่ chicken. Okay. Well, a bit cheesy to me. Different drinks. Curries and stuff. smells are absolutely delicious. Some of them smell like the old Nana's drains. So it's like chicken, like egg, rice, and it's like fish. Plaครับ pla fish, sticky rice, little salad. I think that's green chicken curry. Sorry, ครับ
20เลยนะครับแม่รู้ก่อนนะครับลูกค้า
Size of them shrimps. Yeah, a lot of food I've never seen before. It's alright. I don't think I'd try it though, but Pet May?
นิดหน่อย
Nip Noi. So that's like crab. Is that crab? Bull?
50ครับ
Oh,
ปูม้าครับ
bull. Gull. Shrimp. I don't know what that is. It looks like maybe, I don't know, offal or something. Sorry, carp. Different types of drink. You've got some sort of food court where you could possibly buy the food where I've just been, and maybe come and sit here and eat it. I don't know, possibly. A couple of farangs sat there. Or maybe you can just buy from, I don't know. You can do anything you want here. You could buy it from across the road and come and sit there and no one would say up to you. Different, few different dishes there. And it's only early now. I've come out a little bit early because there's still a little bit of light, so you can see better. You see GoPros and it's not right good and it's dark. Again, another little seating area. Oh, chicken feet there, by the looks of things. That lady's cooking rice and whatever. Sorry, carp. Looks quite a popular place. Maybe different types of chicken. It's alright, then it's quite busy. Yeah, chicken with all different coatings. It's alright. Anh đi cái này khác. Lúc chín, hoàn máy or pet? Pet nick nói. Okay, thank you. Too spicy for me. She had a right squeaky voice, didn't she? Right, we'll head back that way to Udon Town. So that's the sign to look out for that area I've just been in. I don't know if it goes further back. It didn't seem to. I can imagine later in the evening this place should be quite busy. more modern than down the other place. You've got another little area selling just tat really, but someone will like it. Telephone box, Hotel Moco, which is there on the corner. Looks a nice hotel. Another option for people near the railway station. Well, to me it looks like chicken feet, that, and some sort of broth. There's blood in it. Smells nice. You can see there's like little bits of blood, lots of blood in that broth, and all the chicken bits and pieces. Cakes. Sorry, Carp. Grilled chicken, intestines, lots of it.
ไปญี่ปุ่นมีใครไว้ได้ก่อนได้ค่ะได้ก่อนได้นะคะ
Squid, crab, ham and cheese. Lady's cooking all these bananas.
ร้านเผ็ดที่จะฟ้องกันไปกี่ปี
อยู่เป็นนักมืออ้าปากของปาก
ท่านสิดีใจ
อันนี้อะไร
กระเพาะปลาค่ะ
ภาษาอังกฤษแปลว่าอะไรครับ
แปลว่ากระเพาะปลาค่ะ
ซุปอร่อยไหม
แซ่บค่ะ
เผ็ด
ไม่เผ็ดโนเผ็ด
no เผ็ด
แซ่บปากค่ะ
I don't know what she said then. This looks like
ครับผม
sorry ครับหมู ขนม
ครับ
ครับ And then we've got like fish, squid. I've never ever tried squid really. Just a little taste of it. Coconut. Oh, it's hot. It's funny sometimes when you say something we start laughing. And our guy's making like noodles or something. Gravy. Crispy. It's like pork scratchings. Yeah. The food on here will be clean.
แม่อันนี้ซื้อ38แล้ว
But it's annoying. The basic stuff like the pork and chicken and that. Like gai yang. Gai yang ครับ
ฮะ
Gai yang.
ไก่ย่างขอซื้อกว้างค่ะ
Ah, okay. What I've noticed as well in Udon Thani is little sweet things here. Sawadee khap. Kanum arai khap.
ขนมครก
Clock. Kanum clock.
เป็นไทยเดสเซอร์
Ah, one night. Little bit. Ah, okay, thank you. Thank you. What I've noticed in Udon Thani is there are no weed shops. I've not seen any. But maybe it's not allowed here. Right, that's enough of that food stuff. I've filmed about 25 minutes. I let it down to about 15, 10. 10 to 15 minutes. So now I shall head back to the old sampan. And you cannot keep away from them beer bars. Or should I go and get some food? I don't know what to do. Tomorrow I'm going to the lake round about this time. Tonight will be my last night of drinking. I will not be drinking tomorrow night, and that is for sure 100%. I know you'll believe me, but I won't, because I'm not travelling feeling rough. I'm gonna have to go Owen after this white one. Make a dash. So this is a place I came the other afternoon, and it's all lit up now. It looks alright, doesn't it? It's a lot better. You've got all your menus out. I would say it's Korean, definitely. So I don't. It looks Korean. Sushi fusion. That's Japanese, isn't it? Sushi. Looks nice, doesn't it? If only I had a girlfriend, I could be sitting there holding hands, eating some food, some nice food. Yeah, what a difference. Yeah, that area I've just been through is Japanese. I just asked the guy, and he said it's all Japanese food, so it shows what I know. Japanese food, Japanese area, Japanese, Nippon. Opposite Nutty Park, you've got the Cabin Bury Hotel and the Udi Residence. So there's two hotels for you to look at when you try to plan your trip to Udon. Udi Residence, Cabin Bury Hotels.